All right. So, good evening once again. And as you are seeing on the screen, our company is Riway. So, that is the name of our company. Riway is an international company based in Singapore. And it's been in the market for 15 years. But we have only one single product, which is the oral stem cell. So, yun yung share ko sa inyo ngayon, how this amazing product really helped a lot of people bounce back in their health. All right. So Riway came from two words, right way. Okay, right way, meaning yung founder of our company believes that there is a right way in addressing any health concern that we have. That is reversing the aging process of our body. So pag sinabing reverse, no, reversing the aging process of our body, gagawin niyang bata yung cells inside our body. Kasi if yung cells inside our body is magiging young and healthy, any sickness that we have, no, kaya niyang i-fight, no? Yung katawan mo mismo, your body can fight back that sickness. All right? So ganun siya, no? So this is really a therapy, no? Continuous mo siyang iniinom until you will achieve yung result na gusto mo for your health condition. So it's been in the market for 15 years. Riway Philippines is 7 years na. But we have only one product, which is yung oral stem cell. Okay, and we know that stem cells is really good in our health. So usually ang nakakagamit lang yan are rich and famous. Kaya nga ang sabi nila, stem cells is a secret of rich and famous. That is talaga for longer life, healthier life, and growing they kumbaga parang they age gracefully because of the stem cell kasi nga reverse yung aging instead of habang tumatanda sila, no, lalo pa silang nagmumukhang bata. That is the power of stem cell. Now, this is the situation nowadays. No, this is the report that came from World Health Organization. Wag po kayong matakot sa picture, no? This is the report that came from World Health Organization that talks about top 10 killer diseases. So when you say killer diseases, ito yung mga sakit na nagkakos ng untimely death or unnecessary death. Yun yung mga usual na nagugulat ka na lang na bigla na lang siyang nawala. No, it's because nagkaroon pala siya ng heart disease, na stroke. Natulog siya, hindi na nagising. Pero hindi mo naman makikita na talagang may sakit siya, no? So, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga sakit like this because number one is aging population. Of course, as we age, your body deteriorates. Tama ba? So, humihina yung katawan natin, yung immune system natin. That's why hindi niya na nalalaban yung mga pumapasok na viruses, bacteria, and then nagkakos ng inflammation inside our body. And pangalawang nagko-contribute bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng sakit, no, is the wrong diet. Alright? So, meron kasing maling notion about diet. Kasi pag sinabing diet, ang isip natin is you starve yourself. Parang ganun, no? Hindi ka na kumakain, no? Dinideprive mo yung sarili mo dun sa mga kinakain mo before. But diet means is eating the right food in the right time. So yun ang tamang diet. And eating the right food with the right nutrition that your body needs. So eating wrong diet kasi ngayon in our times, no, we are living in a fast-paced time na ang daming instant, lahat na lang instant coffee, instant noodles, tama ba? So marami na ring mga fast food chains, no? It's really hard na challenging na i-maintain natin yung ating tinatawag na healthy lifestyle nowadays kasi lalo na when you are running around, no, you are working outside, hindi naman po pwedeng lagi ka nagbabaon ng mga food, no? If you have a lot of time to prepare for that, no, maganda, no? Pero hindi talaga natin naiiwasan na hindi tayo nakakakain sa fast foods. Alright? And then pangatlong nagko-contribute for these diseases is of course inevitable stress. So kaya siya inevitable kasi hindi mo may iwasan talaga ang stress. But you can control how you react. You can choose how you react on the situation that you have, no? Pero of course, minsan, no, may mga situation na talagang hindi mo na alam papaano mo ba i-handle. Kaya, ah, yung stress talaga, yun yung nagko-cause ba tayo nagkakasakit. Maybe may mga kakilala kayo na healthy naman, mapili siya sa pagkain, nag-exercise naman siya, pero nagkasakit siya because na-stress siya dahil maybe nawalan siya ng work, nagsara yung business niya, no, yung mga situation talaga na gano'n. So talagang nakaka-depress. And pang-apat is of course pollution, no? Yan yung nagko-contribute bakit tayo nagkakasakit. And did you know that our medical science already reached yung tinatawag na bottleneck crisis? Why? Whenever we go to our medical doctors and then they saw na medyo mataas ang blood sugar mo, no, may diabetes ka na-diagnose ka na may cancer, wala talaga silang naibibigay na totally cure for all the diseases. The only thing that they are giving us is maintenance medicine. Tama ba? And this maintenance medicine, nakakatulong siya for quite time, pero for a long term, doon na nagkakaroon ng complications in our body. Tama ba? Do you agree? Kita nga ng heart if you agree. If this maintenance medicine, no, really, it is not made to cure our diabetes, to cure our heart disease. Kasi ang gagawin lang niya, i-maintain lang niya kung ano yung current health situation mo ngayon para lang hindi siya maging worst. But then, eventually, in the long run of taking maintenance meds, nadadagdagan at nadadagdagan yung kailangan mong inumin. Kasi may mga internal organs tayo, parts of our body, na naapektuhan while you are taking that certain medicine, no? Kaya it's really minsan naiintindihan ko rin iba na parang takot silang uminom ng mga gamot, no? Kasi nga ganun yung nangyayari. Now, I have a good news naman sa inyo na naging recent medical science breakthrough na na-discover ang stem cell. So meaning to say, stem cell, it is not man-made, hindi po siya ginawa ng tao. It is not chemically made as well, but it was just discovered. Meaning, andun na po yun sa katawan natin. Did you know that our body is made up of stem cell? And yung diagram below that I will show you, this will give the explanation kung saan ba talaga gawa yung body natin. So as you can see, the sperm cell and ovum, when the sperm cell ovum unites, it will form one single stem cell. That is the mother stem cell. That is the first stem cell in our body. And then ang behavior niyan, magduduplicate yan until it will form into blastocyst, no? And then this blastocyst will help our body develop into 300 different types of stem cells. It can be in your lungs, in your heart, brain, anything, no? So until after 9 months, a baby is born. So as you can see, this baby came from one single stem cell, which is the mother stem cell. So meaning to say, our body is made of stem cell. Stem cell is the most basic form of all living things. So if our body is made of that material, so-called stem cell, same material dapat yung ginagamit ng katawan natin to repair itself, no? Our body, when we were born, no, nung mga babies pa tayo, 100% of stem cells ang meron sa katawan natin. But as our body deteriorates, grow, no, nagmamature tayo, and then nagde-deplete yung supply of stem cell inside our body. So kaya we need supplements like this, no, para ito naman yung gagamitin ng katawan to repair our body. And this stem cell, when it is used into medicinal purposes, it will have unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries. Why? Because ang work ng stem cell inside our body is to repair, renew, and regenerate new cells. Yan lang po yung trabaho niya. So when our body sense that there is something wrong with our kidney, kailangan ng repair, no, magpapadala siya ng stem cell doon, and then yung stem cell pupunta doon sa kidney and will do its repair. Miss Van, meron palang gano'n ang katawan natin, kayang mag-repair. Eh bakit nagkakaroon pa rin, nagkakasakit pa rin, nagkakaroon pa rin ng mga taong nadadialysis, di ba? Yeah, it's because our body nga depletes stem cells. So kung dati 100%, ngayon, no, 10 or even 5% na lang po yung stem cell inside our body as we mature. Kaya kailangan natin ng mga healthy diet, ganyan, food supplements, no, para matulungan yung katawan natin to regenerate itself. And then it also recorded miraculous abilities. Okay, how about if I will tell you that there are a lot of write-ups about stem cells na nagsasabi na there is a miracle in stem cell. So there is this one AIDS patient cured with stem cells, no? And then meron din dito cancer and stem cells, the connection that could lead to a cure. This is from the Economist magazine. And this magazine, no, this is international magazine, even Time magazine. So it takes years bago sila mag-publish ng any issue from that. So pinag-aaralan talaga nila bago yan pinapublish, no? And meron din dito nakalagay stem cell therapy to treat diabetes. And my favorite is this one, 100 years old man over a body of 50. Meaning to say, this is already 100 years old, no? 100 years old na siya. 100 years younger, sabi nila. 100 years younger na siya, but he looks like 50 years old. Sino po rito yung gusto ng half of his age, no? You will look like half of your age. For example, you are 50 years old. Pero when you will undergo stem cell therapy, after your therapy, you will look like 25 years old. Gusto niyo po ba yun? Ako yun, gusto ko yun, no? Kumbaga, you are aging gracefully, no? Habang, kumbaga, reverse nga eh. Habang tumatanda ka, nagkaka-age ka, but your physical body, your face look younger than your age. Alright? So yan yung, if you will ask me, ano ang side effect ng stem cell? Reverse aging is the only side effect of stem cell. Whether you like it or not, babata at babata po talaga kayo when you are taking stem cell. All right? And now, these are the methods, recent methods, how we will receive the benefits of stem cells. But most of these methods are injectables. So number one is the placenta injection in Switzerland. So pupunta ka doon, you will undergo the procedure. Siguro you need to stay there 15, 30 days, no? This is really expensive and time consuming kasi you need to book a flight, pupunta ka talaga doon. And ito yung ginagawa ng mga rich and famous all over the world. Diyan sila nagpupunta to have the stem cell injection. And it will cost you a lot, no? When I say a lot, almost mga 5 million in just one session. Ganun po siya kamahal. But it's really effective kasi nga tutulungan niya yung katawan natin to reverse the aging. So kukuha sila ng young stem cell from the placenta of a black sheep, and then they will process yon sa laboratory, inject nila sa'yo, and then they will undergo different observations sa'yo kung ano yung magiging effect inside your body. And that is really effective naman, but you need to, after the stem cell therapy, stem cell injection, kailangan mo ulit bumalik after 2 years for the another session. So, ganun po siya. And another one is stem cell transplant. Paano naman yan? So ito yung mga ginagawa ng mga surgeons natin. We have already yan dito here in the Philippines, lalo na yung mga leading hospitals natin. No, this is a procedure na ginagawa ng mga surgeon that they directly inject the stem cell in the part of our body that needed it. For example, kidneys, no? Favorite ko yung kidney. Kidneys, we have 2 kidneys, right? Just in case your left kidney is not really that functioning well now, or sabihin natin mga 20%, 30% na lang siya. But the other one is healthy, 100%, 100% working pa. So what the surgeon will do, they will inject a stem cell dun sa left kidney to help it regenerate, no? Or even to your dun sa may backbone mo, no? But you will undergo the procedure without anesthesia. So it's really expensive and painful. Painful na sa bulsa, painful pa po sa pasyente. Okay, and then pangatlo is the cord blood banking, no? Ginagawa na ito madalas in US, no? Very very kumbaga parang familiar na yung mga citizens doon. But here in the Philippines, we have also that na kapag nanganak yung mommy, they will offer, bago manganak yung mommy, meron yan sa St. Luke's, they will offer this service na, mommy, kapag nanganak ka ba, gusto mong ipa-bank natin yung cord blood mo para you will have your, you will have your own source of your stem cell just in case magkasakit ka or si baby. And then, kapag pumayag si mommy, kukunin nila yung placenta, yung cord blood lang kasi maliit lang yon. So, may storage fee yun. As long as na hindi mo siya ginagamit, you are paying the facility. And then, kapag kailangan mo na siyang gamitin, i-retrieve lang yon. They will process the stem cell inside that, i-inject sa iyo or kay baby kung sino may kailangan, and 100% you will recover. Pero there is a mischance because, and may time limit siya kasi you need to consume this within 20 years. So, meron siyang time limit. After that, expired na yung stem cell mo. Then, the fourth one is the placenta injection naman. Ito yung ginagawa sa beauty salon, yung mga mahilig magpaturok-turok sa face, no? There is a non-professional and safety concerns doon because we are not sure on the content of the stem cell, kung saan ba yan galing, ano yung source niyan. Baka galing yan sa dog, galing sa pig, no? We'll never know. Kaya very, napakadelikado niya. So, sobrang risky. Now, if you will maintain, kaya mong i-maintain yung healthy lifestyle, your body will generate new stem cells. So, for you to have a healthy lifestyle, kailangan every day you have at least 10 minutes to 30 minutes exercise every day yon. You are taking health supplement every day and walang stress. Ibig sabihin, kailangan kahit galit na galit ka na, nakasmile ka pa din. Kung pwede po ba yon? Kaya ba? So this method is really ineffective na, and you need a lot of persistence, no? Para talagang ma-maintain mo yung healthy lifestyle. So very challenging. Now, adult stem cells banking naman, ito yun, for example, patient until 25 years old, alam ko po, pwede kang magpa-bank ng stem cells mo. Pero 20 years pa rin yung validity nun. So when you are, kunyari, 25 years old, magpapa-extra ka ng stem cells mo and then ipapabank mo lang. Pagdating mo ng 30, no, hanggang 50 years old, 45 years old po pwede mo yung gamitin. Alright? But this will cost you millions and even fortune, no? Lalo sa atin, wala tayong millions. So the question is, since maganda ang stem cell, is there any convenient, effective, and much more affordable way? Diba? Yun ang gusto natin, affordable way. Kaya si Mr. Lim Bunhong, yung aming founder, yung CEO, talagang ang vision niya is to create and develop products that really help a lot of people. That is through the oral capsule modern technology. So there is technology behind our product. This is not the usual food supplement na ginujuice lang siya, no, nilalagay na sa lalagyan and then food supplement na. Or dinadried siya, nilalagay sa capsule, food supplement na. It doesn't go that way, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the first technology that our company used. This is the freeze drying technology. Bakit kailangan i-freeze dry yung ingredient of the product? The main ingredient of our product is live stem cells. So hindi po pwede kasing injectable ang gagawin natin kasi mas magiging mahal pag injectable and mahirap po ang storage ng stem cell. Baka pag nag-order tayo ng stem cell injectable, pagdating dito sa Pinas, patay na po yung stem cell. That's why this freeze dryer will maintain and preserve the live cell bioactive for 3 to 4 years. No? Kumbaga natulog lang, pinatulog yung live cell. Pag ininom na po natin yung nasa capsule at a body temperature, doon na po ulit mabubuhay yung live cell. And yung live stem cell na nandun po sa capsule, doon sa product natin is coming from the deer. Later, explain ko bakit siya sa deer. Second technology is the nitrogen-filled technology. This prevents oxidation, which will make placenta lives rancid, or it will it will prevent na mabulok yung ingredients inside the capsule. Kasi any living organism, no, living things, attracted ang bacteria. Any presence of oxygen, it will cause oxidation. Kaya tinanggal yung oxygen, pinalitan ng nitrogen. This will serve as parang freezer, maliliit na freezer inside the capsule. So to preserve the atmosphere, hindi po siya mabulok. So yung product, hindi mo na siya kailangan ilagay sa refrigerator. Pangatlo is the enteric coated technology. What do you mean by that? Enteric coated technology, there is a special coating na nilagay sa capsule to prevent it na ma-dissolve in your stomach. Kasi pag sa stomach po siya ma-dissolve, mamamatay na po yung mga live cell in the capsule. Tama ba? Kaya nilagyan po siya ng enteric coated para ma-bypass niya. It can withstand the stomach acid and it is designed to be dissolved in your small intestine to maximize absorption. We all know that small intestine, doon nangyayari lahat ng absorption ng nutrients that were digested in our stomach. Tama ba? So meaning to say, yung ingredients of the stem cell, ingredients of our capsule are already cell nutrient. Readily be absorbed by our body na siya. Hindi na po siya kailangan i-digest ng stomach, hindi na siya kailangan i-process ng kidney. So kung nag-aalala ka, naku, ang dami ko nang iniinom, dadagdagan mo pa yan, Miss Van, no? Hindi po, no? If you are taking so many maintenance medicine, mas matakot ka dun sa iniinong maintenance medicine kasi yan, pinaprocess ng kidney mo. At nabubugbog ang kidney mo hanggang kapaprocess ng mga iniinom natin. Kahit sabihin mong food supplement yan, may ininom na akong food supplement, pero yan ay natutunaw pa rin sa stomach mo. So ipaprocess pa rin po yan ng kidneys mo. While in fourth year, this is the safest food supplement that a dialysis patient can take kasi hindi na siya pinaprocess ng kidney. Diretso na po from the small intestine, diretso na po yun sa bloodstream. So para ka rin nagpa-injection, but pinadaan mo lang through orally, no? Para mas mura siya and mas safe, no? Easiest way to take stem cell. The fourth one is the emulsification technology. What do you mean by emulsification? Allows larger molecules to be absorbed, no? And hanggang dun sa pinakamaliit na veins inside your brain and at the back of your eyes. Parang nagiging soluble like water. So kahit gaano kaliit yung veins na yan, it can penetrate pa rin, no? And then number 5, no, fifth technology is the BioSoft gel technology. What do you mean by that? This is for the proper perfect delivery system inside our body. When it gets inside the small intestine, doon na po siya kusang magbo-burst, no, matutunaw na and ma-absorb na siya ng katawan natin. And this 5 technology is available with our one and only health supplement in the world, which is Portier Placenta, specially sourced from New Zealand, pollution-free country. And this is consumed by billions of people, not only in the Philippines, but in the whole world. All right, so our product is Portier. Sabihin nyo nga po, Portier came from 2 words, purity of a deer. So deer po kasi yung main ingredients which is the live cell. So this is the reason why bakit deer yung ginamit ng company, because yung aming CEO is a Singaporean Chinese. They really believe that deer have humane soul, no? That is the only mammal na meron daw po siyang soul, because they are able to distinguish quality from bad pasturage. They only eat fresh green grasses. Wala po silang gallbladder, kaya they are very picky eaters. And it is honored with the name of divine beast. From antler to its tail, meron niyang medicinal purposes. And then in Korea, meron doon food supplement, no? Ginawa nilang food supplement, yung sungay ng usa, pinowder nila, nilagay sa capsule, and then yun na yung food supplement nila. Now, in Reway, we get the placenta wherein nandoon po yung live cell. So, in the process, wala pong nahaharm na deer, no? Once may nanganak na deer sa New Zealand, dun sa farm, really running, no, and jumping deer in the farm, pag may nanganak na mga deer, i-harvest lang nila yung placenta and then they will put inside the freeze dryer para ma-preserve, no, ma-preserve na yung live cell. Ganun po yung process. All right? And this is our product for the past 15 years. Since we have only one product, ang ginagawa po ng mga researchers and developers of our company, they continue evolve and develop our product to give the best food supplement in the world. And the goal of Rio International is to be number one in the whole world. So we cannot do that if we don't have the number one food supplement in the world. Tama ba? So from the first edition, 2008, it was launched. Ito lang po yung ingredients niya. So meron tayong tinatawag na avocado oil, no? Fatty acids from the avocado oil, squalene oil, aloe vera, borage oil. Puro oil yung kinuha dito, no? And then additional po yung pinaka main ingredients is the live cell from the deer. Second edition, it was added yung marine collagen. Marine collagen is very good sa mga joints natin, yung mga arthritis. Evening primrose oil, this is very good for sa reproductive system natin, mga girls, no, mga babae, reproductive system natin, as well as heart health din. Kasi it serves as also as blood thinner, yung mga mga lumalapot ang dugo, no, nagpapalabnaw siya ng dugo. Alright? And then third edition, dinagdagan siya ng santong from mangosteen. And then fourth edition, dinagdagan po siya ng lycopene from tomato, which is very high in antioxidant. Fifth edition, dinagdagan po yan ng dendrobium, which is considered as top 1 immortality herb in Chinese medicine. So when you say immortality herb, if you are familiar with ginseng, familiar po ba kayo sa ginseng? Ang ginseng is top 6 immortality herb. But this dendrobium, which is a wild orchid po yan, it is an orchid. Number 1 po siya sa Chinese medicine na immortality herb, no? So pag sinabi siyang immortality herb, it can reinforce yung mga veins natin that are not functioning well. Yung mga bara-bara na ugat, kaya niyo po yung i-dilate. Pag na-dilate yan, enough blood will flow. So magiging maganda yung flow ng blood, no? Magiging maganda po yung pakiramdam natin. Kasi lahat ng sakit natin started with cell inflammation, pagbara-bara, mga bara-bara sa ugat. Ayan. So if we have everyday supply of that, may iwasan natin yung bagay na yun. And then 6th edition, dinagdagan siya ng live cell pero naging 100 mg na po siya. So dinagdagan, higher dosage ang 100 mg. And if you want naman i-compare ang live stem cell injectable sa capsule, did you know that 100 mg of live stem cell injectable will cost you 40,000 pesos? No? Ganun po siya kamahal. Pero with our encapsulated live cell, freeze-dried stem cell, yung 100 mg na worth 40,000 is nandun po sa isang capsule ng Portier. So meaning to say, yung isang capsule pala ng Portier is ang value niya is worth 40,000 live stem cell. E paano pa ibang ingredients like dendrobium? Ang dendrobium, ang 1 kilo nun, it will cost you around 120,000 per kilo. And 1 kilo of dendrobium cannot, and it is not enough to make 1 bottle of Portier. So ganun po siya, no? Yung value nung product. And then, na-enhancing marine collagen to nano-sized peptides. Nag-add addition of apple polyphenol extracted from 100 apples. to get 20 milligrams. So per capsule, meron siyang 20 milligram. And for you to get 20 milligram polyphenol from the apple, kailangan nyo po ng 100 apples. So meaning to say, if you are taking 1 capsule of Fortier, para kang, like that you are eating 100 apples in nutrients. No? Ganun siya ka-potent. And then lastly, second to the last, we have additional fucoidan. So fucoidan is a world-recognized top health supplement, lalo na in Japan. So it was sourced in Japan and based po dun sa Japan Cancer Institute. There is a study there that it can kill millions of cancer cells in just 24 hours. No, but I am not saying na kapag ikaw ay cancer patient, uminom ka nito 24 hours, wala ka ng cancer. Hindi po, wala pong ganun. So I am just proving that there is a study that it really helped a lot of patients, lalo na sa may mga cancer. So it only harmed the cancer cells. Like with the chemotherapy, which is yung Western treatment of chemo, is lahat ng cells natin, good or bad, papatayin niya, mamamatay. No, para lahat talaga kumbaga maka-cancel out lahat ng cancer. But with this, it only harm the cancer cell. It will not harm your good cells. Kaya we have a lot of patients na makita mo na hindi siya mukhang may cancer. Ang glowing, blooming ng face, ang bata ng face niya, no? So hindi mo talaga makikita na may sakit siya. And then lastly, ingredients is nucleic labium. Nucleic labium is especially extracted precious nutrients from the white strawberries of Awaji Island in Japan. Japan ulit siya. So close to 10 million research trials. How about that, no? One-time trial nga lang, magkano na ang budget dyan? How much does the research of this cost? Close to 10 million research trials. Ano ba tong nucleic labium na to? So naka-trademark po siya in Riwi because Riwi is the first company na naka-discover ng ingredients na meron pala siya sa white strawberry. Anyone from here na nakakita na po ng puting strawberry? Ako, isa yan sa bucket list ko na makakita ako ng white strawberries and matitikman ko siya. Ayan, no? And ang benefit nito is anti-inflammatory. One of the benefit, anti-inflammatory. So when you say anti-inflammatory, this is really important in our body. Why? Because lahat ng sakit, no, all of the diseases, sickness that we have, bago pa natin yan naramdaman or bago yan nag-fully blown into chronic disease, nag-start po yan sa cell inflammation, pamamaga ng cells. So if every day you have a natural supply of anti-inflammatory, nasa cells pa lang, meron nang magko-correct nucleic labium. And then partner with the stem cell, if kailangan ng repair ng cells, andyan na sa stem cell, i-repair niya. If hindi niya kayang i-repair, magre-regenerate siya ng new cells, papalitan niya ng new and baby cells, yung cells inside your body, no? So, ang ganda nung technology na ginamit ng Relay. So, this is the unique and integrated formulation of our product for Fortier Placenta. So, this is how many ingredients that you are seeing on the screen. 12 active ingredients. Of course, the main ingredients pa rin yung live stem cell. Pero bakit kailangan ang dami-daming laman, no? This ingredients, no, stem cells from the plant, no, plant extracts. This will serve as food of the stem cell when it gets inside your body and also nourishment of your body as well. So ito yung difference ng injectable sa oral. Kasi pag plainly injectable, injection lang siya, stem cell lang yung ini-inject sa'yo. But walang food yung stem cell when it gets inside your body. So we are talking about live cell, living cell. These living cells needs enough nutrition. And kung yung pasyente nanghihina na, hindi na makakakain, kahit saksakan mo yan ng stem cell, anong nourishment ng stem cell when it gets inside the body? No, do you think magagawa niya yung kailangan niyang gawin like regenerate, and even duplicate cells. Kung mahina siya, no, mamamatay at mamamatay din yung stem cells na in-inject sa'yo. Tama ba? But here, these are the added active ingredients really to supplement, prevent, help you recover, lower the tree highs, detoxify. Very important yung detoxification. Protect, no, your cells, repair cells, and renew your body. In just one product, from head to toe, kaya niya pong i-search ano yung kailangan i-repair inside your body. Ganyan po katalino yung stem cell. They are called the smart cells. All right, now, I will show you the video how Portier works inside our body. So kung may mga ginagawa kayo dyan sa bahay, medyo focus muna tayo in the video for you to understand how the Portier works inside our body. Natin siya, no? So hindi siya matutunaw in your stomach at sa pituitary gland. So you can absorb your daylight. From this daylight, directly absorb in your bloodstream. Sa dugo na po siya. So parang nagtutubo. Pinaraan ko lang. Alright. These are the stem cells that are absorbed in the daylight. Para yung surveyor, it will search ano yung kailangan i-repair. Ito yung reason pag tumataas yung blood pressure mo. Ito yung reason bakit yung blood sugar mo. The organ responsible for that, yun ang pupunta ng stem cells. Right? And then this process, this is the process of detoxification. All their cells are being shed off. Yung mga cells na mahina na, may mga edad na, kailangan mag-repair. Ilalabas mo yan also. Urine, then perspiration, and then bowel. Right? And pag nakita na lang stem cells yung kailangan niya, after that, purification na yung gagawin. After that, pag nalisa na yung number of stem cells, it will start regeneration and repair. Part by part of our body na ayusin nga. Here is the heart. Part by part ito may balik niya yung young heart. If your body will undergo the stem cell repair, head to toe, minimum of 6 months, you need to take this para sa mga wala pang sakit, no? Wala pa talagang iniinom na maintenance med. 6 months is enough for the therapy. So from head to toe, no, your body will be replaced by baby cells. So what your face will look like, kung yung buong katawan mo will be your all cells, no, cells of your body will be replaced by baby cells. It will also reflect outside, of course. Now, paano siya inumin? Ito yung binibigay naming dosage, regular dosage, dun pa po sa walang mga sakit. Alright? Kung may mga sakit na or nagte-take ng maintenance medicine, hindi po ito yung inyong dosage. So in your first month, 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi, 30 minutes bago kumain. Empty stomach dapat. Second month, up to your 6 months, 1 sa umaga, 1 sa gabi. Kaya for you to complete the stem cell therapy, you need 7 bottles at least. Yan yung 1 set of Portier placenta. Now, kung meron ka namang ibang health condition, medyo malala, yung 1 set, 7 bottles, hindi siya enough. Alright? Hindi po enough. Sometimes, kailangan mong magdalawa, 3, yung iba kahit 5. So, depende po yan sa health condition natin. Now, ito yung mga certifications of safety that shows that our company really gives really quality product. So we have international free sale certification, meaning to say for all the distributors, registered distributors of Freeway, we can build our team, no, any part of the world, no, po pwede yan. We have also general manufacturing plant certification in New Zealand sa main facility. Yung research plant kasi natin and yung ating manufacturing plant is based in New Zealand. Doon din po siya. So meron tayong certification dyan. Meron din tayong certification for food safety certification, no? Parang BFAD yan sa New Zealand. And then yung Singapore General Hospital, the highest, no, hospital in Singapore. Safety test certification, lahat ng ingredients, binuksan yung capsule, tiningnan. So, nagkaroon tayo ng safety test certification. And alam naman natin kung gaano po ka-strict yung Singapore pagdating sa mga ganitong business. But our main office headquarters is located in Singapore. We have also Singapore Health Science Authority Safety Certification. No? Ito naman yung parang FDA, parang ganon. No? And then we are also halal certified for our Muslim brothers and sisters. Yeah. So as you can see, and I know you would agree, that your health is really an investment. It is not an expense. Do you agree po ba? Stop share muna ako so I can see if nandito pa ba kayo kasi hindi ko po kayo nakikita kanina. Yan, sige, okay. Magbasa lang muna ako, no? Okay. Ayan. So, with that, may question po ba kayo or may question ba tayo? Can I see your reaction sa chat box? Any question? Yan. I would like to know kung ano ba yung nakuha natin for tonight presentation. I am done now with my first part. No? Meron tayong second part pa. So it's all about the product presentation. Pangalawa naman is our testimonial naman. Yan. So may question po ba? May question? Up to what age ang pwede mag-take? Up to what age? Hanggat kayang lumunok po pwede. So ibig sabihin, hanggat kumakain po pwede yan. So wala po siyang age limit, kahit baby po pwede po yan. Kasi yung baby ko, lalo na yung bunso, siya yung maraming nainom na stem cells. Kaya apart from his brother, siya yung pinakamalusog. No, physically, talagang napakalusog niya. And I think isa yon kung bakit ganun yung ano niya ngayon, yung health niya, sobrang healthy, sobrang bibo. From what age? Kahit anong age, wala tayong restriction sa age. Kahit baby 1 month old, 2 months old, we have sa Davao, pinanganak siya na meron siyang tuberculosis. So nagkaroon ng complications, pinainom ng stem cell, no? And ngayon, malaki na yung bata, very healthy. So even 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, may sakit o wala po, pwede pong uminom ng stem cell. Huwag nyo na pong hintayin na magkasakit bago po tayo mag-take. Kasi kung may sakit na tayo, mas madami yung dosage. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nating habulin, mas madami tayong iinom. Okay? So, isi-share ko na po no, yung aking screen. Wala nang tanong. Yan. Let's watch this video.
What will your last 10 years look like? Will you be quick enough for a game of tag with your grandchild? Strong enough to embrace every moment? Will you grow old with vitality? Or get old with disease? It's time to decide.
Yan. So, gusto ko i-share yung video na yun sa inyo kasi talagang ano yun eh. It really resonate with me kasi very important yung decisions na ginagawa natin in our daily life. And I hope no this night would add value to you, would give you enough information, realization na talagang pahalagahan natin yung health natin. Kasi minsan, kadalasan, you never know that this is really important, no? Unless you had that really health condition, health issue. No, sabi nga nila, marirealize mo kung gaano ka-importante yung isang bagay pag wala na sa'yo. Yun, good. May hugot ba dyan? So, yun, no, i-share ko naman po, no, after that video, I would like to share yung mga individuals that really gave really a chance to themselves and for their family na matry yung fourth year. And they realize in the end na hindi na sayang or hindi sila nagsisi that they really trusted the person na nag-invite sa kanila in Bigo and really um, gave them really a conviction na talagang health is really important, no, sa atin. So, share ko ulit yung screen ko. Yan. So, yan, no, this is the yung nagtatanong kanina kung magkano, no, yung one bottle, no, this is the price. Regular price from our company is 25,600. If you buy yung one set, which is the 7 bottles, it will cost you only 166,000 instead of 179,200. So meron ka ng less na 11,000 something ganon. Yan. Now this one, no, this picture, no, ito yung recent patient namin na chronic kidney disease, actually nagda-dialysis na yan. Ito siya nung nagda-dialysis siya. So every month talagang nasa hospital sila last year even nung pandemic. Kaya yung kapatid niya yung tumutulong niya sa kanya, and I met her sister through my friend na nagkaroon kami ng events in Pampanga before in San Fernando, and na-invite yon, no, si Miss Maricar. And nakita niya yung stem cell and talagang gustong-gusto niyang bilan, no, yung brother. So they attended, I think that was August last year or September, I think. Pero she was able to buy stem cell last December, no? So since December up to this moment, nagte-take po ng Cortier yung brother niya, and even yung father niya na na-mild stroke recently. So since December up to this moment, hindi pa po nako-confine sa hospital yung brother niya. And dati kapag magpapa-check up or magpapa-dialysis yung brother niya, kailangan niya pa ng kasama. So kailangan niya ipag-drive, kailangan niya pang mag-leave sa work niya para masamahan niya yung kapatid niya. Kasi nga, hindi talaga niya kaya sarili niya. Hindi siya makalakad, naka-wheelchair siya, inaalalayan siya. Pero you know what ngayon, recently lang for the past 2 months, no? Pag nagpapa-check up siya, siya na lang mag-isa. And then meron silang maliit na business, meron silang something parang tindahan, grocery. So nakakapagbantay pa siya dun sa grocery nila. No? So yun yung naging result sa kanya ng taking stem cell. Ito na siya after taking Cortier, no, naka-recover siya, lalo na nagkaroon na siya ng laman-laman, no, hindi na siya ganun kapayat. And then masigla na siya ngayon. Okay? And this one is my husband, no, muntik na siyang maputulan ng paa, year 2020. Buti na lang, alam ko na yung Cortier year 2019. Yan. So, because of this, no, na-try niya yung product, nakita niya yung result, hindi po siya naputulan ng paa. Thank you, Lord. Praise God. Thank you sa Reway. Thank you sa person na nag-introduce sa akin ng Reway, that engineer Mylene Amugis, 2018 niya pa sinare sa akin, but 2019 ko talaga binigyan ng opportunity for myself yung Reway. Yan. So yan, kasama ko na siya doing Reway. And he is one of the Diamond 2 star, no, Diamond 2 star in Reway International. So this one naman is one of the first, no, first person that tried Cortier here in the Philippines, taga Davao po yan. Nagkaroon po yan ng neck tumor. 69 years old. Ang sabi ng doktor, Mami, kailangan nating operahan yung bukol mo dito kasi baka kung ano yan. Oh? Pero because of her age, hindi na siya pumayag mapa-opera kasi ang sabi niya, baka mamaya dyan pa ako mapabilis. Kaya buti na lang, meron nag-share ng Cortier. Nag-take siya ng Cortier. I think this was 4 months yan, nawala na yung bukol. Pero natakot siya kasi baka daw lumipat kung saan. Kaya nagpa-check siya, CT scan, MRI, lahat to check kung saan napunta. And clear, wala pong bukol na lumipat or tumubo. Kaya, ayan, buti na lang nag-try siya ng 4th year and bonus, reverse aging. Yan. So this one naman is si Teresa Liu. Aging, talagang nag-age siya, no? Since bata siya, meron siyang sinusitis. And kaya ganito yung itsura niya after 7 years kasi yung husband niya, yun po yung nagkaroon ng 4 episodes of heart attack. And then na-angioplasty na siya twice. Pero sila kasi yung unang-unang nag-share, no? Nagdala ng 4th year here in the Philippines. Kaya we owe a lot from these people. Without them, wala po ang Wiwi Philippines. They are Malaysian. No? Si Mr. Reza Liu is a Malaysian, even yung husband niya. Ito po yung husband niya, okay, nagkaroon ng perforation, no, doon sa gastrointestinal niya due to overdose of medication. Sa dami ng maintenance medicine niya, numipis yung stomach niya, nabutas. So nung nabutas, yung gastric acid na nandun, nag-leak, okay? Nag-leak po siya, kaya yung mga ibang internal organs is naapektuhan kasi kaya nung manglusaw kahit metal kayang lusawin, ganun po katindi yung acid in our stomach. Kaya ang ginawa ng doktor, general operation, talagang open yung stomach, tinanggal lahat ng nandoon, nilinis, tapos binalik, no? Parang overhaul, no? Doon sa sasakyan. Pero because of 4th year, mabilis yung kanyang recovery. No, ito na po sila ngayon, no? We are having a partnership with Mr. Raymond Tong, our Team Supreme Pegasus 3 with One Ring in O Garden Hotel in Angeles. So tomorrow nandun kami 4 p.m. Kung meron kayong mga kakilala, you can invite them. And andun po kami on that event. Ayan, so this is our picture. And then yung nasa gitna, si Miss Celia Menjola yan, one of the first person that trusted us and tried 4th year here in Bulacan. Nung na-meet namin siya 2021, she is really in pain sa tuhod niya, may mga bandage yan, may tungkod siya. Pero siya yung siya yung tao na pag nakita niya talagang magbe-benefit siya and sa health hindi niya iniisip yung value kasi ang sabi niya, ang pera kinikita yan, di ba? Dumadaan sa kamay natin yan. At kahit nakahiga ka, no, ang higaan mo puro pera. Pero hindi ka naman makatayo, no? Naka-wheelchair ka lang din, nakahiga ka lang din. So how can you enjoy yung pinaghirapan mo for your how many years na pag-work? Kaya si Ninang Celia Menjola is now our Diamond 1 star and doing the business in JW International kasi meron siyang story, no? Compelling story. So if you want to be successful in this kind of platform, you need to have your compelling story. Parang sa amin, yung story namin ni husband, no, namuntik siyang maputulan ng paa. But because of 4th year, hindi yun nangyari. And then nagkaroon kami ng opportunity rin to share. So we were once broke, now sharing hope. No? And this one, ito yung arthritis yan, pero pinakagusto ko dito yung before and after niya. As you can see, yung before niya, sobrang edad talaga. Then after, ayan. So this one is severe bronchial asthma. Since bata po, nag-maintenance meds yan, steroids na siya. Pero after few months of taking yan, nakakapag-storage na ba? And then this one naman is si Pastor Albert Lastimosa from Davao City. Mas matindi to sa husband ko kasi 2 weeks na bago pa nakita niya na may sugat pala yung talampakan niya kasi diabetic siya, numb yung paa niya, walang pakiramdam. That's why ganyan. So without 4th year, mapuputulan na rin dapat ang paa niya. But after 6 months of taking 4th year, yeah, keloids na lang yung paa. Diba? Galing talaga ni Lord. Thank you, Lord, for this 4th year. This one naman is Belinda Dabi. No? He was a nurse. She was a nurse in US. So na-half body paralyzed siya, 5 years stroke na siya before trying 4th year. So yung anak niya, yung very persistent na mainom niya. Pero siya, negative. Very skeptic siya because galing siya ng US. Of course, lahat ng magagaling na doktor, magagandang facility, top of the in the world na mga medical technologies doon nandoon. But then, sabi niya, hindi ako gumaling sa US. Tapos dito sa Pilipinas, sabi mo, magiging okay ako dyan sa capsule mo. Pero wala na siyang magawa kasi binila na siya ng anak niya ng 4th year. So, tinake niya na lang. Pero after few months of taking, ay, nakakalakad na without a wheelchair, tumatakot. So, really enjoying that time, no? Para sa apo niya, no? What kind
This
of
mommy
life,
wanted.
no? Ang meron siya is nasa wheelchair siya. So, paano niya ngayon? May enjoy, no? Yung paglaki ng
Ang susi.
apo niya, no? And this one naman is Rolando Chong. Meron siyang psoriasis since 2011. So, nag-steroids na rin po yan. And then after 6 weeks of taking Portier, ayan, kitang-kita niyo po yung resulta, no? Yung, tawag dito, yung face niya, no? Hindi na siya ganun ka-bloated, no? Pag kasi nag-insulin, no? Bloated yung face and katawan ng patient. This one naman is brain tumor, si Mr. Edgar Estrella. So, nagkaroon siya ng brain tumor nung nag-work siya sa Saudi, no? More than a decade na siyang nag-work doon. And then, na-diagnose na meron siyang tumor here in the Philippines. So, ang recommendation ng doktor is to do the operation para tanggalin yung tumor sa ulo niya. Pero because of this condition, mahina siya, hindi siya makakain. Lahat ng kinakain niya, nilalabas niya lang din. So, kailangan niya munang magpalakas para prepare yung body niya for the operation. So, he only took Portier para bumalik lang yung lakas niya. So, nag-take siya ng Portier, 6 to 8 months of taking Portier, bumalik ulit siya sa doktor niya, nag-undergo ulit siya ng check-up, and then doon nila nakita na wala na po yung bukol sa ulo. Praise God. Oh, praise God. Thank you, Lord. Ayan, salamat sa Portier at marami tayong natutulungan. Okay, because of Portier, nakasave sila ng money at hindi pa siya na-opera. Then, tingnan niyo po yung picture niya before and after, no? So, meron talagang reverse aging. Okay? So, Nona Aquino, meron siyang ovarian cancer. Pero nagpa-chemo siya, tinapos siya yung chemotherapy niya, yung cycle ng chemo niya. But then, yung tumor marking niya is 13.5 pa din. But after taking Portier of 2 months, no, remarkably, from 13.5, naging 4.7. And after 6 months, cancer-free. Sabihin yung tumor marking ala na 0. Okay, so naging advocate na rin po siya ng Reway. Yan, so she is one of our leader naman in Davao City. This one of my favorite, no, one of our mentor, my personal mentor in Reway, lalo na po nung pandemic, no, even though hindi niya kami under ng team, pero she is really kind, no, to let us attend dun sa meetings niya, ng group niya para matuto kami. This is Dr. Ancina. She is an epidemiologist. Pero may sakit po siya since high school, may lupus po siya. Nagkaroon din siya ng spikes in liver enzymes, stomach ulcers, yan, hypothyroidism. Nagkaroon din po siya ng breast cancer, 5 tumors in the left breast. So after a year of taking Portier, nawala po yung tumor in her left breast. Kasi yung unang nakapag-take ng Portier sa family niya is yung sa husband niya na nagkaroon naman ng prostate, no? Yung sa prostate cancer naman yun. So since nakita nila yung result sa husband niya, pinag-take na rin yung wife niya, which is si Dr. Ancina. Okay? Actually, nakabase sila before in Bahrain. So doon siya nag-work sa Bahrain doon, sa legal, no? Sa parang ambassadors of Philippines siya doon sa Bahrain. Yan. Yan. Okay, this one naman is Attorney Leo Olarte. He is an orthopedic surgeon and lawyer. So, doktor na, lawyer pa. Then, naging past president siya ng Philippine Medical Association. He was also the vice president of Philippine Hospital Association. Naging professor din siya of medicine and law. Okay? Actually, yung bagong internist ng husband ko is naging professor niya, no, sa medicine and law. si Doc Leo Olarte. Kaya when we shared about this, yan, nakilala niya si Doc Leo, isa sa professor. So si Doc Leo Olarte was diabetic for 16 years, nag-i-inject po siya ng insulin for 16 years. So nag-take siya ng 4th year, after 6 months, no, natanggal na yung insulin. Hindi niya na kailangan mag-inject ng insulin. So ibig sabihin, nag-normal yung blood sugar niya, na-repair yung kanyang pancreas. And lastly, this is a stroke patient in Davao, January of 2022, yan nung nangyari. So ganyan, kailangan mong akayin, may tungkod, no? And then after a month of taking 40, ayan na siya. So nakakalakad siya without any assistance, no, from his family, from his loved ones. Pero yung lang yan, cane lang, tungkod lang. Pero after, March yan, 2 months, ayan na, nag-jogging na, tumatakbo pa po. Bilis po ng recovery. This one naman is sa ball, no? Talaga siya ng elevator using the stairs ng wall. So, patient. Okay? Yeah, nandyan pa po ba kayo? Are you there? Mahirap talaga sa Zoom. Feeling ko mag-isa ako. Patingin nga ng mga heart nyo dyan if you're still there. Para naman makita ko na nandito pa po kayo. Yes, dito pa po. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Ayan. Thank you so much, Jane, sa mga heart. Heart nyo, Arlene. Ayan. Okay, Sir Alan, no? Sir Bong, thank you so much. So with that, no, thank you so much for your time. Kung may question kayo, this is the perfect time to chat in the chat box. Any question, if kaya ko yung sagutin, sasagutin ko po siya ngayon. Any question to our guest? Si Ma'am Gianna, okay, Benjamin, CJ, Alan, Ma'am Socorro, Vincent from Taiwan. Ayan, thank you bro for attending our Zoom event tonight. May question ba tayo? Parang tahimik ang ating mga viewers ngayon. Ayan, masaya ba kayo?